Hi, I'm Joe.
I'm James.
We're with Marquam. Today we're going to be talking about a power app that we built. So James, tell me about what we're working with here.
Today we're looking at OPTIQ. OPTIQ is a daily consultant project tracking tool that allows the consultants to mark what they're going to be working on, see what they've been assigned, and then reconcile any difference with their actuals and their assignments.
And this is a mobile application that's also on the computer desktop.
This is a mobile power app. This is available on phones, on tablets, and on desktop. This does use a SQL Server backend. This ties directly into our time trapping tool called Hourglass. As a consultant, I would start my day by entering OPTIQ. I would see what projects I had hours scheduled for. I also have the ability to inform OPTIQ where I am during the day, in the morning and the evening, home, office, client side, out of office, travel, or other. I enter my hours that I am expecting to work on for the day, and what I can see is a list of all the project time tracking codes that I've been assigned across all my projects. I can choose the client that I plan on working for and how long. I can see my burden for the week for each client. And if I have a situation where I have free time, I can request help.
And what does this do? What happens when you hit
If
request
I
help?
request help, the project management team is notified that I am available for other projects for in the short term of the day and possibly the longer term. This is essentially a flag saying, I'm not working on what you expected me to be working on for any number of reasons, and this allows them to have a conversation with me prior to the next scheduling meeting where they find there was a disconnect between what they expected me to be doing and my actuals.
And so because we're a software company, we're really dependent upon the revenue generated by our consultants billing. And so if there's any sort of gap, it really costs us money. So we need to make sure that we're billing to the highest capacity that we can. And this solves that.
And we are also a mobile workforce. One thing that this also provides is we have a very ad hoc work from home structure. This allows anybody else in the organization to determine what's our status. Are we home? Are we out of the office? And this is secondary to the calendar. We're a distributed consulting company with a strong work from home ethos. And this allows management and other team members to see that, for example, you're out of office, you're home sick. A distinguishing feature of the mobile application is a feature we are calling the egg timer. This allows consultants using the mobile application to actually start a timer while they're working on a project. This timer will run in memory regardless of the applications being open or closed, and will continue running until I complete the timing, automatically reconciling the time I have worked on any client's particular project, giving us a much more accurate view of actuals versus estimates.
So OPTIQ has this entire Power BI dashboard behind it, and it's a Power BI app that we've created that you could deploy across your organization so that all of your employees could have insights into what's going on, where people are located, and where they're at with billable hours. So you can get a list of all of the consultants with this dashboard that you have working on a specific number of projects and what hours they're putting towards different projects by account.
We can see estimated hours and help requests. So this is a good indicator of where I was allocated for 8 hours for a client. That work never materialized, so there was a discrepancy between the expected booking and billing and the actuals.
Excellent.
And of course, we can also see who hasn't participated for the day.
So Power Apps is really simply something that can be used across device platforms to make business forms.
Business forms to a wide variety of line of business systems. It is actually not a SharePoint tool. It is a part of the Dynamics CRM stack, so it is available to virtually any line of business application. Oracle databases, whatever, you name it.